Hi there, welcome to cmcstamps.com, which stands for Color Me Crazy with Trisha Williams. Okay, you're here for a mini tutorial all about the Aqua Painters. So let's dive in. All right, welcome to the mini tutorial all about the Aqua Painters. So as you can see, they come in a package of two. There's a bigger and a smaller tipped. The blue right in this one has a bigger tipped one. So it's just a wider brush is what it is. So there's a wider brush and a smaller brush. And you fill the water below this fill line. I hardly ever go to the fill line. The more like watercolor water I want, the more I want it filled. If I'm doing a lot of wet to dry, then I'm going to use less water. And if I'm doing more wet to wet, I'm going to use more. So I just wanted to show you real quick the tricks about it. So you unscrew right here to fill the water in. And when you're dumping out the water, you squeeze it. And then go ahead and put it back together. And then of course your lid here. Okay. So I wanted to show you once you have it filled, you're ready to go, how exactly you use it. I always have a paper towel nearby and I pick up my color. Just get a little bit on the lid and I squeeze it. If you can't see what I just did, I squeezed it. Okay. And I let some water out. And it just depends on how transparent or light I want it. Let's say I don't want it very transparent. Then I'm going to pick up my color with just a little bit of water and go ahead and color. And then if I want it more transparent, I'm going to continue to squeeze and let the water come out. Now, as you're coloring, sometimes I even squeeze, especially when I'm doing wet to dry. I squeeze to make sure that it flows enough and it mixes the color and blends it. So I just wanted to show you that real quick. Pretty much that's the basics. Then this is how you clean it. You just squeeze and let the water go back and forth, and go ahead and squeeze again until it's clear, just like a regular paintbrush. And then you put the cap on to make sure it doesn't dry out, and always try to keep it clean and put more water in it so it's ready to use. Remember, there's a big tip and a big tip and a small tip, and you can fill it below the fill line and clean it after every use, and you can use them for years. I love the Aqua Painter. They're simply amazing. Thanks for checking out my video. Bye. So did you learn something new about the Aqua Painters? I hope so. I hope you open up your package and use it today. Please visit me anytime at cmcstamps.com. I'm here to help and I would love to get to know you. I also do very interactive with my customers. I love to send out gifts, catalogs, and just get to know you. So please make sure you reach out to me. You can email me and visit me anytime at cmcstamps.com. Thanks. Bye.